Hello class 3. So chapter 8, Introduction to Microsoft Word. And our today's topic is the quick access toolbar, the ruler, the backstage view and the shortcut tabs. So now as you can see in your screen, quick access toolbar. So it is located just above the ribbon. The quick access toolbar gives access to common commands no matter which tab is selected. As you can see right now, the arrow mark is there, so by default it shows only save, undo and redo commands, but that doesn't mean you cannot add more commands. So as you can see, the customize buttons are there. By clicking on the customize button, you can add more quick access toolbar. So basically quick access toolbar is used which command is used often. Ruler. The ruler is located at the top to the left of the document. It is easy to adjust the alignment. As you can see, I have shown. So the red arrow mark is there. So as you can see, the ruler, it is easy to adjust the alignment of the document and the spacing using the ruler. The ruler is not initially displayed. It needs to be selected from the View tab under the Show group. Remember this. You will find the ruler in the View tab, and it is in which group? It is in Show group. Is backstage view. So backstage view, with the backstage view one can save, open, print, share a document and perform many other operations. To access backstage option, you have to click on file tab. As you can see, file tab, if you click on the file tab, you can able to see save, open, print, share document, new, help. So this is called as a backstage view. Keyboard shortcuts tab. So as you can see, each and every commands or tabs has some group's name. So it is not a name, actually it is a shortcut. So pressing the Alt key on the keyboard, it's activate the shortcuts for the tabs. As you can see, paste is F and cut. Home is H, insert is N. So this has assigned the specific letter, and the functions on the quick access toolbar are assigned numbers as shown in the image below. So after pressing the Alt key, pressing the assigned number perform the operation on the quick access toolbar. For example, pressing Alt and then 1 from the keyboard saves the document. However, pressing the assigned letter as for the letter or combination of letters for the function performs the operation. For example, by pressing Alt and T, the table insertion function is performed.